We all love shoppings, don't we? But how about the idea of saving some money while you shop? I'll be sharing some Amazon shopping hacks that would help you save some money as you shop. Let's get started. Price tracking tool. There are multiple online tools available which can track the price of products on Amazon. You can monitor a product on such tools to see if they are below their usual price or if there is a price hike, so you can wait until the price drops. You can also set alerts which will notify you when the price drops. Camel, Keepa, Earny are few such online tools. This graph here shows the price variation within months of a portable AC. So the price in April 2021 was $306 and it increased to $354. This will probably give you an idea about price fluctuations, which in turn will help you make the call whether you need to buy it right away or you can wait for the price to go down. Amazon coupons. Check for coupons on product pages before buying. Amazon provides coupons periodically on most of the products which we usually miss while buying. For example, this vacuum cleaner right here has a $5 coupon available. These coupons are listed right under the product details, so always make sure to look for it. They also have a page where you can type current coupons, which will display all the products that are covered by coupons. Coupon extension. If you don't see a coupon readily available on Amazon, there usually is one provided by the seller or seasonal coupons. Use external browser extensions like Honey, Microsoft Extension, and Rakuten to help you find these coupons and apply it to your shopping cart. These extensions will find the best coupon for you and even apply them before checkout. Honey also displays the price fluctuations, and you can again set alerts which will notify you when there is a price drop. Here is an example of how Honey works. So you can see the price of this coffee maker that has gone up to $169 from $109 within 30 days. You can simply add it to the drop list, which will automatically notify you when the price goes down. No rush shipping. Always opt for no rush shipping when you're not in a hurry to get the item. When you do so, Amazon offers exclusive credits and discounts. All you have to do is select no rush shipping when you are checking out instead of free 2-day shipping. Amazon also gives you digital credits with which you can buy or rent movies from Prime and have a movie night. Subscribe and save. Amazon offers another way to save money on products that you buy frequently, like soap, shampoo, toilet paper, which you would buy every month. There is an option for you to either make one-time purchase or to subscribe and save, which will offer you some discount options. This subscription service comes with free delivery too. Also, if you subscribe 5 or more items in one auto delivery option, you will get an additional 15% off of your total order. Prime members get 20% off. If you're anyway gonna get those items every month, might as well subscribe and save some money. Okay, so the last one. Amazon offers multiple deals where you can save a lot of money. Prime Day, Cyber Monday, Lightning deals, today's deals, etc. There is something or the other very often. Keep an eye for those and you can save a lot of money if you purchase products on such offers. We recently bought a treadmill at almost 35% discount during the Prime Day sale. Amazon also offers great deals on quality used, pre-owned or open box products. So make sure to check the other option tab before buying it directly. I hope these tips will help you pay less for the purchase you make in the future. Stack and use as many coupons, deals as you want and try to pay less on your next purchase. Every penny counts. So make sure you give some thoughts before buying. If you have any topics you want to explore with us, then share it in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye bye.